Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we connect earbud with our phone. Friends you have guys earbuds and friends you want to connect with your phone. So friends, how can you connect? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we connect earbud with our phone. First of all guys, we will have to turn on guys our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, take out your earbud. Friends you want to connect one, friends you want to connect your both of earbuds. So friends, take out your both of earbuds and guys we will scroll it. So as you can see guys, your phone bluetooth settings. So friends, click on your phone bluetooth setting and friends, turn on your phone bluetooth this right side icon and then we will refresh it. After refresh guys, you can see guys your earbud name. So I will click on guys my earbud name to connect. So once you can see guys this notification guys, tap here to connect. Hence you can see connected and guys battery 70% active. So guys, now we can use guys our earbud while operating any app, watching cartoon movies guys, we can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you have understood how to connect earbuds. So bye guys.